Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Toyota Kluger, stock number 6068. This ran from 05-2007 to 02-2014. It has a 2GR FE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2GR FE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mad flat tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,